Welcome to Vandalur Railway Station. This station is managed by the Southern Railway Zone of Indian Railways. The station has a total number of 3 platforms and 1 foot overbridge. Foot overbridge 1 starts near the main entrance and has stairs to all the platforms. The main hall is present near the overbridge, which has ticket counters and station master office. A Divyang toilet is present near the foot overbridge on the main entrance. Water booths are available at all platforms and toilets are present at the main entrance and platform 3. Wheelchairs and portable ramps are available at the station to help individuals using wheelchairs board the train. Platform numbers in Braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading to the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices and facilities such as toilets and waiting halls to aid those with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that provides an overview of the station and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to aid those with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective paint at the start and end to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio and sign language video about the railway station can be played over the phone by scanning the QR code installed at various locations. This initiative, including the provision of Braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, was driven by Indian Railways in collaboration with Nissan Motors India and executed by Anuprayaas and Voice Trust.